Hello students, welcome to zoology class. This is Akmal Hussain, lecturer biology, Square High School and College. Now I am going to take a biology class of standard 10 chapter 9. Today's topic is human skeleton. Bone joint or articulation. What is bone joint? A joint or junction between bones or cartilage in the skeleton of a vertebrate is called bone joint or articulation. Synovial joint. Synovial joint, one type of joint which is described in your text. What is synovial joint? A synovial joint is the type of joint found between bones that move against each other. Example, elbow, knee, that means joint of elbow, joint of knee is the example of synovial bone joint or synovial joint. Synovial joint. There are two pictures of synovial joint. The parts of synovial joints are bone end covered with cartilage, bone end covered with cartilage, that means these are cartilage and this one is cartilage. Synovial fluid and a cover of capsule which is a tough fibrous tissue or ligament that firmly hold the joint. That means this cavity or capsule is called synovial cavity, and synovial cavity or capsule filled with fluid which is called synovial fluid. The synovial fluid and the cartilage of the joint reduces friction so that less energy is consumed for movement of joint. Then the covering of this capsule is ligament. Follow the picture number 2. This structure is ligament which helps to attach the two bones. That means this is synovial cavity filled with synovial fluid, both end of the bone attached with cartilage and two bones connected one another by ligament. Bone joint or articulation. Bone joints are different types. Number A, fixed joint, that means the joint which is fixed, they don't move at all. Example, joint of cranium, that means joint of bone of head. Number B, slightly movable joint, the joint who can move slightly. Example, joint of backbone. Number C, freely movable joint, synovial bone joint, that means joint of elbow, joint of knee, etc. Now, free movable joint again divided into two: ball and socket joint, ball and socket, shoulder joint. Number 2, hinge joint, elbow knee, hinge joint just act as hinge, that means it can bend one side, it may bend or freely move both sides, just only one side. Follow the picture of ball and socket joint. This is ball like structure and this is socket, ball and socket joint. Number 2, hinge joint. Follow the picture. Hinge joint. This is the joint of our hand which can bend only one side. This is called hinge joint. Muscles. What is muscles? Actually the muscular part. Of our body which can contract and relax, that we may move, is called muscle or muscular part of our body. Functions of muscle. Number 1, movement of organ, help in movement, placing the organ in orderly manner and balancing. Number 2, the muscular system along with the skeletal system gives a definite structure of the body. Number 3, the cardiac muscles are of special type. It maintains heartbeat and blood circulation. Thank you.